Imagine having your own cozy little retreat right in your backyard for less than the price of your last vacation. Yep, we're talking about tiny house kits and ADUs for under $10,000. Now, before you think it sounds too good to be true, stick around. We've found some of the best affordable options to get you living large, with less space and way less money. Let's dive in and see which of these might just be the perfect fit for you. Number 25. Chalet Bunkie by Bunkie Life, starting from $6,500. The Chalet Bunkie is a cozy 10-foot by 10-foot structure with cathedral ceilings over 11 feet high, perfect for extra space at a cottage or home. With a footprint of 104.6 square feet, it feels spacious and includes a cantilevered overhang for porch shade, tall windows for natural light, and room for bunk beds. Made from kiln-dried northern spruce, this bunkie comes pre-cut and interlocking, with energy-efficient double-pane windows, a sturdy door, pressure-treated flooring, and snow-load durability for cold climates. Delivery available in Canada and USA. Number 24. The Versa 107 by Sawmill Structures, starting from $9,999. The Versa 107 is a stylish multi-purpose cabin with a modern design and nearly 3-inch thick solid wood log walls. This 108-square-foot cabin features a 10-foot vaulted ceiling, a double-pane glass door entrance, and versatile layout options, perfect for a backyard office, studio, gym, or even a mini theater. Built from Nordic spruce, this executive-style cabin typically doesn't require a permit, making it an excellent choice for those wanting a functional and beautiful space in their backyard. Number 23. Allwood Solvalla by Allwood Outlet, starting $7,450. The Allwood Solvalla is a versatile 172-square-foot garden house kit crafted from high-quality Nordic wood, designed as an elegant alternative to classic log cabins. This modern structure is suitable as a guest house, home office, pool house, or small retail space, and can even be placed on rooftops. Its unique layout includes two 86-square-foot sections, often exempt from permits in many locations. Easy to assemble in 3 to 4 days with minimal tools, Solvalla features dual-pane windows, a sliding door, and durable materials, making it an ideal, stylish addition to various environments. Number 22. Standard Pod by Algonquin Pod Company, starting from $9,000. The Algonquin Pod Company has designed a special guest house called the Standard Pod. This guest house is made using a method known as prefabrication, which means that it is built in sections at a factory and then assembled on site. The Standard Pod provides a cozy space measuring 63 square feet, making it a compact yet functional option for guests. This small space can serve various purposes, such as a place for visitors to stay during a vacation, a workspace, or even a quiet retreat in nature. Number 21. Riverview Chalet by Sawmill Structures, starting from $9,999. This 132-square-foot cabin kit features a cozy interior with a covered porch, crafted from aromatic English and European pine with a dense grain. Its exclusive interstack log system has 44mm thick walls, precision milled with cross-locking corners for easy assembly. The cabin comes complete with double-pane windows, doors, tongue-and-groove flooring, ceiling boards, and all necessary fasteners and trim, allowing you to quickly build a sturdy and beautiful retreat. Building permits are required in most areas. Ships anywhere in the world for an additional fee. Free pickup in Ontario, Canada, or Buffalo, New York is also available. Number 20. Multi-Cube Studio by Sawmill Structures, starting from $7,999. The Multi-Cube Studio is a versatile 100-square-foot space with a customizable roof slope that can be angled in 4 directions, allowing you to adapt the look to your preference or site. Ideal for studio or guest bunkie, this unique structure can be expanded by joining multiple cubes with creative options like covered breezeways and repositionable doors. It's a perfect flexible solution for adding a stylish and functional space to any property. Number 19. Cascade by Wiserwood, starting from $7,800. Each 144-square-foot unit includes everything needed for assembly. High-quality wood components, a window, doors with hinges and handles, pressure-treated floor joists, and a sturdy roof structure. Made from carefully selected Canadian spruce, pine, and fir, all materials come with an illustrated guide to make assembly straightforward and easy. Number 18. Stargazer by Luna Glamping, starting from $7,000. The Stargazer Dome is a spacious 540 square foot geodesic structure perfect for glamping, a small yoga studio, or a unique workspace. It comfortably fits a couple with room for extra beds, a full kitchen and bathroom, making it ideal for versatile uses like a glamping resort, single studio, or business space. Built with a durable, flame and tear-resistant PVC cover on a galvanized steel frame, it's designed for all climates and offers customizable options like skylights, colored tubing, and curtains. This eco-efficient dome maximizes living space with minimal materials and a modern aesthetic. Number 17. Hillcrest Loft DD Kit by Sawmill Structures, starting from $7,499. The Hillcrest Loft DD Kit is a popular compact structure with a smart use of space, featuring a 12-foot vaulted ceiling and large windows on each wall for plenty of natural light. It includes a 9-foot by 9-foot main floor and a 9-foot by 5.5-foot loft area that fits a queen-size mattress, perfect for extra sleeping space. With a double-door entrance for easy access, this 85-square-foot unit plus 45-square-foot loft is ideal as a bunkie, glamping rental, pool house, or backyard retreat made from durable, kiln-dried English and European pine. Number 16. Family Pod by Algonquin Pod Company, starting from $10,000. This 129-square-foot structure provides ample room for a range of uses, whether as a cozy retreat, extra guest accommodation, or even luxury lodge-style rentals. This family pod is proving its adaptability, enhancing everything from countryside cottages to upscale bed and breakfasts, and even serving as unique accommodations besides zoos. Pre-assembled and ready to go, it comfortably sleeps 4 adults and starts at an affordable $10,000, making it a perfect option for those looking to expand their property's potential or add a charming, functional pod without the need for a full bathroom or kitchen setup. Number 15. Rockwood Bunkie by Bunkie Life, starting from $9,300. This modern bunkie, available in 160 or 199 square feet, boasts a sleek design with extra tall windows, high ceilings, and plenty of natural light, creating a spacious feel. Measuring 14 foot, 9 inches wide by 10 foot 10 inches deep, and standing 12 feet tall, it's made from high-quality, kiln-dried northern spruce with interlocking pre-cut wood. Featuring 7 energy-efficient double-pane windows, pressure-treated floor supports, and premium hardware, this bunkie is both functional and stylish. It's also snow load rated for tough climates, with an engineer-stamped drawing available for permit applications. Number 14. Hillgrand XL DD Kit by Sawmill Structures, starting from $10,000. This versatile 2-level structure offers the perfect escape or workspace with its spacious main floor and a generous loft that comfortably fits a king-sized bed. Ideal as a bunkie, studio, glamping cabin, or home office, this 100-square-foot model features plenty of natural light through operable screen windows, making it both practical and inviting. With a 7-foot-high loft you can stand in, it's designed to provide a cozy yet functional space for relaxation, work, or memorable getaways. Number 13. Weekender Bunkie with Loft by Bunkie Life, starting from $7,200. The Weekender Bunkie is a popular, easy-to-build cabin with a 99-square-foot ground floor and a spacious loft that can fit 2 twin beds. Made from high-quality kiln-dried northern spruce, it comes with pre-cut interlocking wood pieces for quick assembly. Many finish it in a weekend. The bunkie features 5 energy-efficient double-pane windows, including French doors, and offers ample natural light. With a sturdy loft rated for up to 2,500 pounds, pressure-treated floor sleepers, and snow-load durability for northern climates, it's a versatile space for extra sleeping, a cozy retreat, or a functional workspace. Number 12. Canvas Lodge by Totally Unique Cabins, starting from $9,750. The Canvas Lodge is a 168-square-foot camp-style structure perfect for fixed camps, featuring a unique canopy tarp system with durable 10.1-ounce fire-retardant, water-repellent cotton canvas walls and ceiling. This kit includes pre-cut 2x4 and 2x6 lumber, knee wall boards, and vinyl-coated canopy tarp with bunkies, offering a rustic yet sturdy setup. Commonly used as a versatile outdoor shelter ideal for nature lovers or camp settings. Number 11. Allwood Sommersby by Allwood Outlet. Starting from $8,690. The Sommersby Cabin Kit, a top seller in the UK and France, gained popularity in the US for its charming blend of classic and modern style. With a spacious 176 square foot floor area, large windows for natural light, and wide double doors for easy indoor-outdoor flow, it's ideal as a guest house, home office, or retail space. Made from thick Nordic spruce wall planks, this cabin is durable and stylish. Shipping is limited to the contiguous US, with delivery fees based on location. Number 10. Hillcrest Loft SD Kit by Sawmill Structures. Starting from $8,200. This is a very popular model that makes smart use of space, fitting well in almost any property. This bright and compact unit has 108 square feet of space and a tall 12-foot ceiling that gives it a spacious feel. The main floor measures 9 feet by 9 feet. Plus, there's a bonus loft that is 9 feet by 5 feet 5 inches, which can fit a queen-size mattress. The full wall of windows at the entrance and additional windows on every wall allow plenty of light into this versatile space. It's perfect as a bunkhouse, pool house, glamping rental, backyard retreat, commercial building, or for any other purpose one can imagine. Number 9. Allwood Chloe by Allwood Outlet. Starting from $7,340. The Allwood Chloe is a charming Nordic wood cabin kit ideal for a pool house, guest house, garden cottage, or retail space. Built from durable Nordic spruce, this cabin is easy to assemble with 2 people in about 3 to 4 days. The kit includes pre-hung and glazed doors and windows, floor and roof materials, pre-assembled gables, and all necessary hardware. Shipping is limited to the contiguous US, with additional delivery fees based on location. Number 8. Summer Cabin by Bunkie Life. Starting from $5,995. The Summer Cabin Bunkie offers a cozy 99 square feet of extra space, perfect as a guest house or study. Crafted from kiln-dried northern spruce, it features pre-cut interlocking wood French doors with single-pane windows and a side window for natural light. With sturdy tongue-and-groove flooring and roof boards, pressure-treated floor supports, and quality hardware, it's a great addition to any property. The kit includes everything needed for assembly and arrives in one compact package made in Europe. Number 7. Teardrop Stargazer Glamping Tent by Phoenix Domes. Starting from $1,000. A special choice for high-end seasonal glamping. Impress your guests with the Teardrop Stargazer, perfect for renting out kids' play areas, events, weekend getaways, tiny house living, or hosting family and friends. It has clear skylights for watching stars at night and enjoying the clouds and trees in the morning. It's easy to heat with a space heater or tent stove when it's cold, and it stays cool in the summer thanks to its roll-up door, 3 windows, ventilation ports, and built-in sunshade. You can set it up in about 30 minutes the first time, and even faster after that. This tent includes a waterproof canvas cover, a versatile tent body with a roll-up door and 3 screened windows, a thick waterproof and removable ground sheet, a removable sunshade for the windows, and many more. Number 6. Lotus Bud Glamping Tent by Phoenix Domes. Starting from $1,000. A great option for luxury camping. Use the beautiful Lotus Bud glamping tents for seasonal rentals on your property. They can be easily heated with a tent stove on cool nights, and stay cool in the summer because of the roll-up door, 3 windows, and top ventilation. If you want a shaded space for kids or family, the star-shaped cover can be taken off and used as a sunshade. The first time you set up the Lotus Bud, it takes about 30 minutes, and it will take even less time after that. Number 5. Cabana Bunkie by Bunkie Life. Starting from $7,995. The Cabana Bunkie is a stylish 106.6 square foot structure, ideal as a poolside retreat, hangout spot, or market kiosk. Made from kiln-dried northern spruce, it features pre-cut interlocking wood for easy assembly. The cabana includes an extra-large double-opening window, a windowed door, and a live edge-inspired wood bar, perfect for entertaining or serving. With sturdy pressure-treated floor supports, tongue-and-groove flooring, and quality hardware, this cabana provides a versatile and durable space to enhance any outdoor setting. Number 4. Portable Container Home by Generic. Starting $10,200. This is a small and versatile container house. It can be folded, making it easy to move and set up wherever you want. It's a prefab house, which means it is made in a factory and can be transported to your location. You can use this mobile cabin as an emergency housing, a vacation spot, an office, or a place for recreation. The house is available in 2 sizes, 20 feet and 40 feet long, and can be customized to fit your needs. Number 3. Arlanda XL by Allwood Outlet. Starting $10,200. The Arlanda XL is a versatile 227 square foot cabin with a sleek urban design made of solid Nordic spruce wood, suitable for various uses like a vacation home, guest house, ADU, or rooftop setup. Now offering an optional dividing wall for a separate sleeping area or bathroom, this modern alternative to classic log cabins features a spacious 193 square foot interior with large dual pane windows and durable construction. Number 2. 4-season Deluxe Glamping Dome by Phoenix Domes. Starting from $9,500. This 20-foot Phoenix Dome offers a versatile 290 square foot space perfect for living, working, or relaxing. It features a sturdy steel frame, durable PVC cover, and interior fabric liner, with a skylight, large panorama window, and 2 triangle windows for great airflow and views. Ready for easy assembly and customization, it's designed for year-round use in any climate, making it a low-maintenance option for a studio, office, or retreat. And finally, number 1, Bluewater Den 67 by Sawmill Structures. Starting $7,000. The Bluewater Den 67 is a compact 67 square foot backyard retreat that offers a versatile, cozy escape. Measuring 9 feet wide by 7 foot 6 inches deep, with a tall 9.5 foot vaulted ceiling, this den feels spacious and can comfortably fit a sofa bed, desk, and other essentials. Perfect for a quiet personal hideaway, hobby space, or peaceful workspace, it provides flexibility in design, allowing you to customize the door windows and roof orientation to fit your style. This small but smartly designed cabin is ideal for both urban and rural settings, offering a personalized sanctuary in any backyard. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you're considering any of these options for your own space, let us know which one caught your eye in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on tiny living and creative home solutions. See you next time.